Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about services in AWS. In yesterday video, I discussed deployment models, deployment models in AWS and why we are using AWS cloud and companies are moving, why companies are moving towards cloud technology and what is AWS, definition of AWS and services we have in AWS for freshers. Uh, some advantages of AWS, we discussed all these things in previous video. And coming to today's video, here I am going to discuss about services in AWS. In AWS, we have total three types of services we have. One is software as a service, SaaS, and PaaS, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. This is this is software as a service, software as a service, and this is platform as a service. This is platform as a service, and this is infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service, guys. These are the three services we have in cloud. One is software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. For example, software as a service is nothing but Swiggy, guys. For example, if we take Swiggy, simply we are, suppose if I want to order a biryani, I want today I want to eat, today I want to eat biryani, guys. Today I want to eat biryani. Suppose if I want to eat biryani, we have three options. One is we can order through online platforms. We can order through online platforms, and we can go to restaurant also. We have one more option called a restaurant. Restaurant option we have, and we can made our home. We can buy all the things what we require to make biryani. We can prepare at home also. We have three options to eat biryani. Suppose if I went to order option, if I went to first option called order, there is no customization here. Suppose if I want to biryani, simply I can open my mobile. I can open some online platform called Swiggy, Zomato, any online platform. Simply I can order biryani. But here, in this case, I cannot made any customizations. Here I cannot made any customizations. Simply I can order the name of the biryani. They will prepare that biryani and they will simply give it to us. But here there is no customizations. There is no customizations. We have to follow the we have to follow rules and regulations of the that providers. There is no customization. Here there is no our own customization. There is no our own customization. Whatever they are providing, we are simply taking that and we are eating that. That is the nothing but software as a service. And coming to platform as a service, guys, we have one more option called a restaurant. In restaurant, if you go to restaurant, we can choose some whatever requirements we have. We can choose from the menu and we can order and we can eat. This is the one option. This comes under platform as a service. In platform as a service, we can do some customizations. Here some customizations we can perform. Some customizations we can perform here. Here we know we can choose good restaurant. We can choose good restaurant, and at that restaurants the food, with what type of rice they are preparing the food, and what type of ingredients they are using to prepare biryani. These all things we can do some customization in platform as a service. If we order means, if we come to software as a service, there is no customization. Whatever they are providing, simply we are using it. We are not performing any customizations in first case called software as a service. In platform as a service, we are providing some customizations. We are doing some customizations, and we are finally we are eating our biryani, special biryani. And coming to infrastructure as a service. Coming to infrastructure as a service. Here, infrastructure as a service is nothing but like our home. Suppose if I want to eat biryani, simply I can buy the ingredients what I require to prepare biryani with my own. I can buy some all requirements here maintaining by myself. Yes or no? Whatever things we required here, that all things I am preparing myself at home. I no need to depend on any online platform, on any restaurant. I can prepare myself own here. I can do whatever customization requirements I need to perform. I can perform in this case. In this case, infrastructure as a service. Here, complete customization is happens here. Complete complete customization happens here. Complete customizations. We no need to depend on any software or any restaurant. We can buy the things what we require to prepare biryani. We can buy the things, and we can buy the rice, type of rice we need, type of chicken we, all the ingredients we can perform our own customization. This is about a small difference between software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. For example, if you take one more examples like here, coming to software as a service, if you take one more example like Gmail, you have idea about Gmail, Google Drive, Gmail and Google Drive, guys. In the case of Gmail and Google Drive, we are simply using the Gmail and Google Drive what is providing by the Google. We are not here, we are not performing any changes, and we are not doing any modifications, and we are not making any customization. Simply we are using the software what Google is providing to us. Yes or no? Simply we are using the software like Gmail and Google Drive, what Google is providing to us. We are not performing anything here. We are simply using it. This is comes under software as a service. This comes under software as a service. For example, if you take platform as a service, uh, I hope you know online platforms called Amazon, Amazon and Flipkart. Yes or no? Amazon and Flipkart, Here, here they are providing software. These they are the Amazon and Flipkart, they are providing software to us, but here we are um, we are selling the products by using this software. Yes or no? Here, the software, all this comes under platform. They are doing their customization, but the product, what product we have to sell, and at what rate we have to sell, and what discount, all these we are maintaining, right? Some things are performing by their company side, some things are managing by us, right? Here, there is some customization. Some things are managing there, but here some things are managing by us. In the case of software as a service, completely they are managing. We are not doing anything. But in the platform as a service, we are we are performing our own decisions also. Here we are taking our own decisions and managing our own decisions also. This is about platform as a service, guys. And coming to infrastructure as a service, infrastructure as a service, here, whatever you want to perform, like suppose if you want to maintain, um, whatever you want to perform, all these things you can maintain by your own organization, guys. By your own, you are not depending from anyone, but you are by own, you are managing all the services and all the requirements, complete control in your hand. This is infrastructure as a service. Whatever you need to perform, all the things by your own, you can perform. You no need to depend on any others, and you no need to depend on any online platforms. Complete customization is taken care by your own self, guys. This is about infrastructure, infrastructure as a service, and this is all about service we have in cloud, software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. I hope you understand the difference between these three services in cloud technology. And coming to one more topic called global infrastructure. Global infrastructure. Global infrastructure in AWS, guys. Global infrastructure. Global infrastructure is nothing but the infrastructure of an AWS data centers. In these global infrastructures, we have technical terms called, one is region, one is availability zone, one is availability zone, one is point. These are the global infrastructure in Amazon Web Service. One is called a region, and one is availability zone, and one is edge location, guys. Coming to region, coming to region, guys, there is no technical definition related to region. Region is nothing but a physical location of our data centers, guys. Physical location. It is simply physical location, physical location of our data centers. There is no technical definition related to region. We simply call it as a physical location. The location of our data centers is nothing but a region, physical location. We simply call it as physical locations. Moreover, coming to AWS, we have 32 region, guys. 32 regions we have. 32, 32 regions we have, guys. We have totally 32 regions till now. In these 32 regions, we have one more point called availability zone. We have availability zone. Availability zone is nothing but, guys, availability zone. Availability zone, guys. Availability zone is nothing but the location where our data centers, location where our data centers located, where our data centers is located is nothing but availability zone. Here in this availability zone, we have multiple data centers, guys. Multiple, multiple data centers we have in availability zone. It is the place where AWS, our AWS data centers, we keep it is nothing but availability zone, guys. Place where our data centers is nothing but availability zone. In each and every each, in each and every availability zone, we have three data centers minimum we have, guys. We have minimum three data centers we have. For example, in every availability zone, we have three data centers. For example, for example, if you take Mumbai, if you take Mumbai region, for example, if you take, for example, if you take Mumbai region, in Mumbai region, we have three availability zone. We have three availability zone. In every availability zone, this is the Mumbai region, guys. In every region, we have three data centers. It's mean three availability zone we have. One is one is AP South 1A. One is AP South 1A and AP South 1B, and third one is AP South 1C. AP South 1C. In every region, if you take for example Mumbai region, in Mumbai region we have three availability zone. In three availability zone, we call it as AP South 1A, AP South 1B, and AP South 1C. These are the three availability zone which located in Mumbai region. This is all about availability zone. For example, if you take Hyderabad as a region, if you take Hyderabad as a region, in Hyderabad also we have three availability zone. We have three availability zone. One is AP South, one is AP South 2A, AP South 2A, AP South 2B, AP South 2B, and AP South 2C, guys. In each and every region, minimum we have three availability zone. Availability zone is nothing but the data centers where we locating. It is nothing but data centers, guys. The location of data centers, it is nothing but availability zone. Region is nothing but a physical location. A physical location is nothing but region. The location of data centers is nothing but availability zone. For example, if we take Mumbai as a region, in Mumbai we have three availability zone. In Hyderabad we have three availability zone. This is all about region and availability zone, guys. Coming to nearly, we have 30, nearly in AWS, we have AWS is maintaining nearly 32 regions till now, 32 regions. And coming to availability zone, Coming to availability zone, we have one or two availability zone. This much infrastructure we have in AWS, guys. This much this much infrastructure we have in AWS. Availability zone we have one or two availability zones we have. We have 32 regions we have till now. Coming to edge locations. Coming to edge location. Edge location is nothing but the data caching near to the end customer. Near to the end customer. Suppose, for example, you are um, your region is Mumbai, guys. You are using Mumbai region. Your region is Mumbai, but your client is staying in America. Your client, your client is staying in America. Your client is staying in America. In between Mumbai and America, there is the gap between the Mumbai and America. There is a huge gap. I mean, the distance is very large. The distance is very large. If we want to access the data centers which we present in Mumbai region for America client, it is somewhat. It will take some delay time to access the service. It will take some delay to access the service. If I want to access the service, it will take some delay, buffering, and slowly it will get the web page. For example, if you are using some, for sometimes, at sometimes we also face the same issues in mobile, buffering, and slowly we will get the output. This is the delay. This is the delay period. So if you want to reduce the delay period, if you want to reduce that delay period, we are using edge locations, guys. Edge location is nothing but caching the data near to the end customer. Suppose if our client is in America and our resources and services is in Mumbai, it will take delay to access those services and resources. If you keep one small data center called edge location near to the America location, near to the America location, whatever resources the client are using, at first it comes from original data center. It means Mumbai region to the edge location region. Mumbai region to the, this is edge location. From Mumbai region to the edge location, it will cache the data. Here it will store, and from here to America client we can use data and resources. For first time, who is accessing the data or service, it will take some time. It will take some time. From second person onwards, the whatever resources are getting from original region called Mumbai to the edge location, for first person it will take some time. From second person onwards, the data which is stored in this edge location, from this edge location the data will access by the America clients, by the America client, guys. For first person only it will take delay. Why? Because if the first person is accessing the that resources and data, it will take some time. Why? Because it will come from the original region to the edge location, then after edge location to the America client. From second person onwards, already the data came to the edge location. From second person onwards, it won't uh, when it won't receive data from original location. It will receive data or services or resources from the edge location onwards. This is all about edge location and region availability zone and edge location, guys. We can simply call it as region is nothing but a physical location. Availability zone is nothing but place where our data center is located. Edge location is nothing but caching the data near to the end customer. This is all. In coming to AWS, nearly we have 450 plus edge locations, guys. This much infrastructure we have in AWS. Availability zone we have one or two availability zones we have, and regions we have 32 regions we have. These are the regions. Till now, these are the regions, and till now, these are the availability zones, and these are the edge locations till now. Maybe in future it will be increased or it will be same. Maximum cases it will increase. It will increase in the future, guys. It will increase in the future. The region and availability zone and edge locations, the infrastructure definitely it will increase. This is all about global infrastructure. This is all about global infrastructure. These are the technical terms called, one is region, one is availability zone, and one is edge location, guys. One is edge location. And coming to one more concept called coming to one more concept called support plan, guys. Coming to one more concept called support plan. Guys, if you are using AWS account, if you want to work with AWS, if you want to work with AWS, first we have to create one account, guys. First we have to create one account. In AWS, we have to create one account with our mail ID, with our mail ID, and mobile number, and our bank account number. I mean debit card number, guys. By using all these, we have to create one account in AWS, Amazon Web Services Management Console. At first we have to create one account by using mail ID and mobile number and debit card number. We have to create one account. At first, AWS will detect AWS AWS will detect 2 rupees from our account, 2 rupees from our account, and after 48 hours, and after within a 48 hours, I mean 22 days, within 2 days, it will refund back these 2 rupees. Why the that AWS is detecting 2 rupees from our account means to check whether our account is correct or not. To check, AWS is checking that our debit card and our email address and all these are correct or not. To checking purpose, AWS detect 2 rupees from our account, and again within 2 days it will refund that 2 rupees to our account back. 2 rupees to account back. Without our permission, without our permission, some people will get to fear that, yeah, I am using my debit card number. Suppose whatever money I have in my account, if AWS taken means what can I do? See, guys, without our permission, without our permission, AWS cannot charge any single rupee also. Single paisa also will not charge by AWS without our own permission. With our permission only, it will charge that 2 rupees also and coming days money also. Without our permission, AWS will not detect our amount automatically, even though if you provide account details. I hope you got it. For for all these, after creating account, we have to work with AWS like Amazon Management Console. We have to work with AWS. While working with AWS, guys, you will get some doubts, right? You will get some doubts. You will have some queries. You will have some questions and doubts and all those things. If you want to rectify all queries, and system related or system impaired, system shutdown. We have to you have to communicate with AWS. If you want to communicate with AWS provided one concept called support plans, guys. Support plans. Based on the support plan, you can communicate with AWS to the solutions which you require based on your queries. Coming to coming to these support plans, guys. Coming to these support plans, basically for every person, account and billing related technical technical queries. See, guys, coming to account and building related queries, for everyone, it is free, guys. For everyone it is free. We no need to we no need to pay any amount to the AWS. Account and billing related, billing in the sense, amount chargeable after using resources. Mm, for students, AWS providing free tier eligibility also. free tier Free tier eligibility also. In this free tier eligibility, you can practice whatever services I am teaching now. You can practice all those services and resources in free tier. It won't cost any single rupee also. It will not cost any single rupee also. This is comes under free tier eligibility. Only some resources only comes under free tier eligibility. That is enough to gain knowledge in AWS as a fresher. You can work with free tier eligibility. Suppose if it is organization level means, you have to maintain some, you have to pay some amount to the AWS to work with resources and services. And for technical queries also we have to pay amount in organization level. That is organization level. But for student level we can use a free tier and we can practice whatever we need. uh, coming to Coming to this account and billing related queries, it is free for all. Either it may be free tier or it may be organization level. It is free for all, guys. It is free for all. Coming to technical related queries. Coming to technical related queries, guys. Based on the support plan, it will come. It takes place, guys. Based on the support plan, the technical queries comes into the picture. Support plans we have, basically we have basic support plan we have, and one is developer support plan we have. One is the developer support plan we have. One is business. One is business support plan we have. One is business support plan we have. One is enterprise on RAM support plan we have. And one more is enterprise support plan we have. These are the support plans which we have in AWS for technical queries, guys. For technical queries, based on these support plans, they will communicate related to our technical queries, guys. For example, coming to basic support plan, guys, here we no need to pay any amount in basic support plans. But in the case of basic support plan, they will solve our queries related to. One is the queries actually we have. gen- uh, the queries which we have is, one is general guidance, guys. General guidance. One is general guidance. One is system impaired. One is one is system impaired. One is system impaired. And third one is production system impaired, guys. Production production system production system impaired and production system down. Production production system down. Production system down. Coming to coming to basic support plan, guys. Coming to basic support plan, the AWS team will provide general guidance within less than 24 hours, guys. Less than 24 hours, they will provide general guidance. If you have problem with the system impaired, within 12 hours, less than 12 hours, within 12 hours, they will solve our queries. System impaired means nothing but if you have any problem with the system while using AWS and those queries related doubts, they will provide solutions. AWS team provide solutions to us. Coming to basic support plan, within 24 hours and within 12 hours, they will provide. Remaining these production impaired and production system down, it will not comes under basic support plan, guys. It will not comes under basic support plan. And we no need to pay any amount in basic support plan. Here, only one user, if you want to ask a query to the AWS team, only one user can raise a ticket. A ticket is nothing but request, guys. Ticket is nothing but request. We are raising one ticket to inquiry these related queries. Only one user can, only one user from the organization can raise a ticket. They only support email support, guys. Only email support in basic. In basic support plan, we only one user can raise a ticket and they only provide email support only. No calls, no SMSs. Only email support they will provide. And coming to developer support plan, guys, coming to developer support plans, here we have to pay $29 per month. The organization, the companies, those who are using AWS, if they are using developer support plan, they have to pay $29 per month. Every month they have to pay $29, guys. Here in the developer support plan, guys, any user in the coming to basic support plan, only one user can raise a ticket. But coming to developer support plan, any user can raise a ticket. But here we have we have here phone support, we have SMS support, we have and email support also we have. We have three kind of supports we have. In the case of basic, only email. Here, a general guidance queries and system impaired queries, production impaired, production system down. Production system down and production impaired is nothing but if we are using our application in production level, production is nothing but live, guys. Production is nothing but live. After completion of our developing the code and testing the code, we have to use live, guys. In live, we have to use that application. If there is any problem in live, that is nothing but production impaired and production system down. If there is any problem in that, we can contact our AWS team and they will resolve these queries in developer support plan. In developer support plan, guys. And in business support plan, here for every month we have to pay $100, guys. Every month every month we have to pay $100 in business support plan. Here also any user can raise a ticket, and phone, SMS, email, all things we can available. And all these queries they can resolve to us AWS team. Here in the developer support plan, guys, only AWS Associate can provide queries to us, but in the case of business support plan, senior AWS senior AWS person will resolve our queries, will solve our queries. Senior AWS member. In the developer associate, AWS member take our queries, but in business support plan, senior AWS manager take our queries and solve to it. That is, it will charge $100 per month. Company have to pay. Coming to enterprise on RAM support plan, we have to pay. We have to pay dollar. We have to pay $5,000, guys. We have to pay $5,000 per month. $5,000 per month in enterprise on RAM support plan. $5,000 we have to pay. We will get, any user can raise a ticket, and we will get all support plans, and we will get all these queries we can ask. And additional to that, they will conduct some they will conduct some feedbacks also, guys. From company to AWS team, they can directly contact some feedbacks, and they will help them. The AWS team help the company how to reduce the cost of the services. They will help how to manage cost management, and how to use within less cost of our resources, AWS resource. All these things they will help to company also in this enterprise on them. All these things will happen. Coming to enterprise support plan, here we have to pay $15,000, guys, per month. 15,000 per month we have to pay to the AWS team from our organization or company if we want enterprise support plan. In enterprise support plan, whatever queries we are taking in about support plan, all queries it will get in enterprise support plan. Additional to that, AWS team, they will conduct some yearly seminars and webinars to the organizations, and their updates. All these things will also will happen in enterprise support plan. Within a minutes, I mean within a less time, they will contact to the organization to resolve the queries within less time when compared to above. Within less time they will contact our company to resolve the our queries, guys. Why? Because they are charging $15,000 per month, and they will conduct seminars, webinars, yearly ones, and they will take feedbacks from company, and they will help to the company how to manage the resources within a less cost. And all queries and mm, tickets, all these things happen in enterprise support plan also, guys. This is all about support plans in AWS, guys. Account and building related is common for all. Coming to technical queries, based on the support plan we are using. For example, one company use a developer support plan, one company use enterprise, one company use this one. Different companies use different support plans. Based on their support plan, they have to pay money, and they have to resolve their queries based on their support plan, guys. This is about support plan, guys. I hope you understand support plans. And global infrastructure in AWS, and services we have in cloud like software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, global infrastructure, region, availability zone, edge location, and support plans, guys. That's all for today's session, guys. If you like my video and if you like my content and concept explanation, please like my video and subscribe to my channel and share to your friends, those you are looking to learn AWS, guys. In next video, I discuss one by one module called what is. I first of all I explain you all these modules. What is the purpose of these modules in a single line. Then after I will take one by one. First I take IIM and I explain all the concept related to IIM module with practical examples. And next, then next EC to VPs at one by one. I will teach you with example, practical, with hands-on experience. I will explain you. Please follow my YouTube channel and subscribe to it. Then immediately you will get notification after uploading a video in my YouTube channel, guys. That's all for today, guys. See you tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Bye.